Jigs are here. Are you receiving messages but there are no push notifications for your WhatsApp chats? This can happen for a number of reasons, including your network connection, system settings, application errors, and more. In this video, I will show you the solution for each factor that could be causing the issue, so you can get notified again when you receive a call or chat from your friends on WhatsApp. Let's go. To send and receive WhatsApp messages, your device must be connected to the internet. So if you're not receiving WhatsApp alerts, the first thing to check is your network connection. Open the control center and enable Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're using cellular data, make sure you have enough credits to connect to the internet. Also, check another configuration that might be interfering with your connection. Open Settings. Go to Cellular and select Cellular Data Options. Make sure Low Data Mode is not enabled, as it limits background data and may delay or prevent push notifications from showing. Besides your internet connection, verify if you have actually disabled system notifications for WhatsApp. Navigate to the Notification Settings menu and browse to WhatsApp. Be sure to enable Allow Notifications, including all alert modes, so that the notification appears on your lock screen, in the notification center, and a banner pops up as well. Also, turn on Sounds and Badges. After activating system notifications on your device, next go to WhatsApp Notification Settings to check the in-app configurations. Show notifications must be enabled under both the message and group panels. Then go to the Sounds Configurations page and select any alert tone you prefer. When your system and app notification settings are all set up, see to it that no focus mode is activated, as it mutes notifications on your device. If you have a stable internet connection and your WhatsApp notification settings are configured correctly, one of the most effective solutions when your device or app is behaving differently than normal is to simply perform a force restart. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. If you restart your device and still can't get notifications, the next step is to update your app to the latest version. Check the App Store for updates if you're on iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. You should see an update button here if new updates are available. Always keep your application up to date to receive regular bug fixes for minor issues or new features. When updating doesn't work, try reinstalling WhatsApp instead to remove any persistent glitches that might be causing the issue. To avoid losing your data, make sure you back up your WhatsApp before reinstalling. Once your data is backed up, delete WhatsApp from your device. Then open the App Store or Google Play Store, whichever is appropriate for the device you're using, and reinstall WhatsApp from there. After reinstalling, launch WhatsApp and sign in with your account again. Upon sign-in, check to see if you can now receive notifications. Unfortunately, if none of the previous methods work for you, then your last resort is to contact WhatsApp support so that they can help you further with the issue you are experiencing. Open the Settings tab, navigate to the Help menu, and go to Help Center. Scroll down to Contact Support and write your concern with complete details in the text area. Click Next to proceed. Submit your concern, and then WhatsApp will send their response via chat. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.